At the heart of our philosophy is a fascination with technology itself.
I'd use three words: humor, beauty, and innovation.
The basic construction material of our objects is the air. Hi, I'm Anya.
Hi, I'm Radek.
We are in Studio Puff Puff. As a young designer, I was fascinated by alternative technologies. I was fascinated by pneumatic structures. Objects made with the use of this technology are light, soft, they yield to the touch, they have some kind of life in them.
For me, this technology is not obvious. It's such that it can be said to exist and yet not exist, because it's about the air. There is a lot of poetry in it, and at the same time, it's made by machines.
The air, which is an imperceptible material, by filling the inflatable structure, it becomes solid and gains a new characteristic. Air is also a completely renewable material, therefore ecological.
In these lamps that are between the camera's eye and my eye, plastic is 1% of the volume. 1%. So if we buy a lamp or a chandelier that has a cubic capacity of 1 cubic meter, then in a cubic meter of that lamp we have only 1% of processed material.
This lamp is sent in such a flat form, and only the air gives it third dimension.
Then there are aspects like, ultimately it's all recyclable. Rejects and waste can be turned into granulate, which can be used again in the same or any other plastic-based product from granulate.
Actually, we don't have to explain anymore why it's inflated, why it illuminates this way. We rather show more of what possibilities it has, that it is a modular system, that it can be shaped in variety of the forms. Lightness allows the construction of truly large forms. The key is that it is just well designed.